The Greater Cleveland Regional Transit Authority's HealthLine Extension Study team recently held a second set of public meetings to explore the possibility of enhancing transit service in RTA's northeast section of their service area.
We've had meetings in Euclid, we had a meeting in East Cleveland, and we had a meeting in the Collinwood neighborhood of the city of Cleveland. We saw residents from those communities, we saw RTA riders who use the system now, we saw people who might not use the system but really wanted to see what this project could do for their community.
And we want to look with this study, what should be the next step?
At the December meetings, the team presented a wide range of possible alternatives that explore the possibility of extending either the Red Line or HealthLine transit service. A key component of the public meetings was interacting with and listening to the public.
A lot of people were looking at the boards and commenting on the different alignments. I think some of the residents here see some opportunities on Euclid Avenue and what, some sort of public investment in Euclid Avenue could do for the city. We have heard from many people their thoughts on where this should be, what this should look like, how this should function within their community. And after the public meeting, we'll take all of the written comments that we've gotten from the comment cards. We'll take any comments that come in online that we've gotten so far and that come in after the public meeting. We'll sit down with the project team and really debrief on everything that each project team member heard and make a summary of those comments, listen to those comments, and make sure that we're addressing those comments as we move forward with the study.
The project team considered a wide range of factors to develop the alternatives and to evaluate and compare them.
Key factor in the evaluation process is which alternatives will really fit these communities the best. And it's a bit of a mix and match because some communities have areas that they want to redevelop. Other communities have areas where we say we really need transit and better transit, so we want to serve those residences. And in other situations we want to keep the costs low. So it's that mix and match. How can you make all of these things fit together and come up with a great alternative? We want to make sure that what we put in one community is complementary to the other community, which is complementary to the RTA system.
4 of the 9 original alternatives are being advanced to more detailed technical analysis. These alternatives include B, D, E, and G, with various options. Details are provided on the project website. Click on Projects and then Documents.
So that's what we're working with, but I think we're off to a great start and we've had some great ideas coming from people.
As part of the public meeting process, a transit-oriented development workshop was held.
It's increasingly true around the country that if you're going to build a major transit capital improvement in the first place, you're only going to be able to do that. Certainly you're only going to be able to do it with federal support if the project has a strong case to make that it's going to stimulate transit-oriented development, that it's going to serve existing transit supportive densities, that it's going to get people to jobs, to other things they have to do, and that it's going to help create some of that on the ground.
So, what are the next steps?
The 2 key components we'll look at moving forward are what ridership gains can we realize and how much does it cost to build, operate, and maintain any of these alternatives. The next public meetings will be in the spring, and we'll go through our next round of analysis before then and recommend a preferred build alternative of these alternatives that we presented in December and bring that to the public to get their feedback and see if they agree with our recommendation.
There are plenty of ways to participate. You can go to the website. You can contact us via social media. You can make a phone call. We look forward to hearing from you.